These are the MCQ shorts we created in the last video. Now I'm going to show you how to automate scheduling them across various social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Scheduling your content across multiple platforms is crucial because it maximizes your reach and engagement. By posting on different platforms, you ensure that your content reaches a diverse audience, increasing your chances of gaining more views, followers, and interactions. If you want to monetize your content on YouTube, it's important to focus on scheduling your posts specifically on YouTube. Go to buffer.com, a social media management site, where you can connect all your social media accounts and post content across all channels with just one click. First, sign in by clicking on Get Started Now. On the next page, enter your email and create a strong password. Once you've done that, you're all set to sign in. Next, you'll be taken to a page like this. From here, select Connect Channels. You'll see a list of social media platforms you can connect with. First, I'm going to connect my YouTube channel. Choose the Gmail account associated with your YouTube channel. For this example, I'll select my other account to show you the process. Here, I only give access to manage YouTube videos. Then, continue. After a few steps, your account will be connected. Okay, now let's go to Create. Here you can add ideas for what you plan to do or post in the future, like a to-do list. By clicking on New Idea, you can add text and files related to your ideas. You can also change the status of each idea as To Do, In Progress, or Done. Okay, that's not what we're focusing on right now. Let's see how to schedule videos. To schedule your videos across all your social media accounts, go to Publish. You'll see a calendar with your previously published content. I've connected my Pinterest account as well. In the calendar, we're in current month, which is June. From here, click on Month, and you'll be able to navigate to other months. Hover over the date you want to publish on, and then click the plus mark. From here, you can choose your videos and add a title. For this example, the category is Sports. These are short videos we bulk created in a previous video. I'll add a title as Do You Know? You can also preview the video from here. From here, you'll see all the channels you've connected. You can select which channels to publish the video on. I'll choose YouTube and Pinterest since those are the only two I've connected. I'm including Pinterest just to show you the process. Choose the board for Pinterest. From here, you can add tags. Type the tag you want to create, and there will be a button as Create Tag. However, with the free plan, you can only create 3 tags. I've already created mine, so I can't add any more. You can try a free trial to create more tags. You can see the tags I've created. From those, I'll choose Cricket and Sport. Now everything looks good. You can change the schedule date from here. Once you're ready, click on Schedule Post, and it will schedule your post across all the channels you have chosen. You see? Additionally, you can connect other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. However, scheduling only on YouTube also particularly easy using this calendar. That's all about scheduling your content. From the Analyze section, you can review your content's views, impressions, and more. However, you need a paid plan for this feature, or you can try it using the free trial. That's all for today. Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.